national Greco-Roman champion in junior level. Ryan, tell me about your tournament today. How well do you feel you wrestled, and what were you able to show out there?
I mean, I think I did pretty good. Had a game plan going in every match with my coaches. I think I executed well, you know. Didn't lose a period the whole tournament, so I think I went out there and executed the game plan pretty well.
Do you feel you were getting some of your throws the way you like? I know you often are able to get some nice tosses in your bouts.
Yeah, I mean, I used to be a little easier. Guys a little bigger, now I'm more experienced, so I've been working a lot on my straight lift with my brother, and it was pretty successful in the tournament.
Now, a lot of seniors don't come to this tournament, but you came here to prove yourself again. Why did you come and wrestle, and what are your goals for the freestyle tournament?
Well, I mean, I've won this tournament 5 times now. I want to get 5 and 6, you know. And also, I'm at a transition point in my life. I want to make a good transition into college wrestling, you know. Have a strong performance to end out my junior career, so.
So, how proud are you of your brother and all the achievements he's had, and how much does he help you along the way?
I mean, we're like 2 peas in a pod. Always talking to him and stuff, and I'm really proud to call myself his brother and work out with him and everything else that comes along with that. So.
And college is coming up. You getting excited about school in a few weeks?
Yep. Yeah, move out in September and start all over again. So it should be pretty fun and exciting.
Well, congratulations, Ryan Mango, Greco-Roman Junior National Champion.